Because it was doing this when I was trying to use my keyboard in Jedi Survivor, too. Like, my controller wasn't working, so I tried using the keyboard, and it just wouldn't do anything. Well, right now I'm kind of annoyed, because my keyboard's, like, screwed up. I'm not about to play Doom with a controller. You don't do that. Yeah, see, look at this. I can't go a different direction. I'm just going forward, and I can't stop. It's holding down the key. Like, my computer thinks that sticky keys are on, but they're not. At least I don't think they are. I checked. And I can type just fine.